I am so excited today because I get to open up this whole box of English Kayou My Little Pony cards. So this is one of the Moon Edition sets. It's set number 3 and it is also a first print. So all the cards have a little K first print on them. These were very kindly sent to me by the people at Banter Toys. They've distributed them amongst JB Hi-Fi, EB Games, Kmart and more great retailers. So the box comes with 12 packs. Each pack has 8 cards in it. The back has information about the cards. It shows that there are 290 cards to collect across 10 different rarity levels. Now let's talk about the cards that I am most hoping to pull today. I'd really love any of the childhood memory cards. I also really love these cozy cards. If I could get any of the main 6 in the cozy cards, that would be so exciting. My 3 favorite ponies. You can probably guess that Twilight Sparkle and Rarity are big favorites of mine, but I also have a really soft spot in my heart for Fluttershy. So if I get any rares of Twilight, Rarity or Fluttershy, I'm gonna be over the moon. Honestly, there are just so many good cards in this set. I think whatever we get will be very exciting. The first pack of the day. Starting off with the Tree Hugger, Sassy Saddles, Sven Gallop, and then in the 4th spot is gonna be your rarest card of the pack. Oh my goodness, look at that gold. I've never seen a card with this border. I think it's gonna be a rare one. Oh my goodness, look at that Twilight. Isn't that stunning? She's doing some magic and flying in the sky. What a pretty card. Let's get a sleeve for that. I do have purple sleeves. So this is an SGR, which is the 4th highest rarity. I haven't pulled any cards like this yet. That is so pretty. I'm gonna put all my rare pulls up the top here. Back to our other cards in the pack. We have this dragon wearing a purple beret. Then we have one of the lenticular cards. So these show little scenes from the show. And we've got the very cute pony Muffin here. Then second last, we've got Rainbow Dash looking a bit worried. And last, we've got Twilight Sparkle herself flying through the sky. What a great way to start the video. So obsessed with this Twilight card. Let's open the second pack. Starting off with Pipsqueak. Then we've got another baby pony twist. Fancy Pants. Oh, this looks exciting. I'm feeling like this is going to be a cozy one. Oh my goodness. Who is it going to be? No way! It's Cozy Rarity. Oh, isn't she stunning? That looks like the most gorgeous bedroom ever. She's got her roses and her lotion. She's holding the mirror and the rollers in the air. So many bows and frills. This is one of my favorite cards I've opened. This is so beautiful. Already got a rare Twilight and a rarity. And look, there's Fluttershy there. Oh my goodness. This is way too exciting. So the cozy cards are a UR, which is the 5th highest kind of rarity. But oh my gosh, this is one of the ones I most wanted. Look how beautiful she is. She can sit over here next to Twilight. 2 for 2. Then we've got little Fluttershy in a hat. I have a very soft spot for Fluttershy. Every time she comes in an episode, I'm like, oh my god, it's Fluttershy. So I would love any cards of her. Oh my god, it's Fluttershy. Speaking of her, so this lenticular card, is this lenticular? Yeah, you can see the little butterflies moving in the background. That's so cute. I'll happily take any Fluttershies. Oh, what's happening here? I've got Rarity in black and white. And the final one is a concerned looking Applejack. I do love how sparkly these ones are. It's just so cool how many different types of cards you get. Like, these are all not rare cards, and how awesome are they? We have only opened 2 packs, and I'm already super satisfied. But we'll see what our 3rd pack holds. Okay, we've got Maud Pie, who is Pinky's sister. We've got Rarity, Sandbar. And then what is our rare card? Oh my goodness, this looks exciting. This looks really exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Yeah. This box was made for me. We went Twilight, Rarity, Fluttershy. I'm gonna cry. Look how cute she is. She's mixing potions. She's dressed as a scientist. She's in a whole leafy lab. This is stunning. So this is another SGR. The same tier as the Twilight. Let's get her a purple sleeve as well. I'm gonna put her there. So we've got our 2 SGRs and our UR of my 3 favorite ponies. How is this happening? Then we've got Twilight herself here in a big hat. Pinkie Pie. Oh, I do love Pinkie Pie with a pie. A nice lenticular one. And we've got Twilight again. We did already get that card, but that's all right. And then Meh. Well, with 3 packs open, I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Got all my favorite ponies in rare cards. What are we going to do with these 9 packs? If I don't get any other rares, I'm already happy. So this is pack number 4, starting off with Smolder the Dragon. Then we've got Applejack, then King Somber, a villain card. Then what is our 4th one going to be? Oh my gosh, we're doing so well today. This looks like a cozy card, right? Oh my gosh, no way! We just pulled the Pinkie Pie UR. Look how cute she is. She's on a big pink beanbag, so many balloons, a cake, a big bow, flower cushions. Oh my gosh, imagine if we pulled 1 rare for all of the main 6 today. That would be insane. Okay, Pinkie, you get a sleeve too. Oh my gosh, 2 cozy cards of the main 6. Oh, I am so in love. Okay, recovering from that excitement, I've got Sweetie Belle. She's in green ribbons that match her eyes. So pretty. Oh, then we've got one of these lenticular cards with Flurry Moon. And the last 2 are Babseed and Rarity in a beautiful cape. I don't know if I got the 4 best packs in the box first go. Let's see what number 5 is. Okay, we've got Pegasus, little baby Apple Bloom, Silver Stream, and then what? Oh my gosh. No way. No way, no way, no way. This is looking like another one of the cozy cards. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, it's Trixie. Not one of our main 6, but that is such a pretty card. Oh my gosh, I love the quills and the books everywhere. This is so magical. So perfect for Trixie. Love her purple hoodie, of course. She looks so cozy on the lounge. Oh my goodness. What luck we are having today. I'm gonna run out of room for all my rare pulls. Okay, then we have the Secret Agent Big Mac. All lenticular card with Discord and Twilight. I just love Discord. I find him so funny. And our last ones are a concerned looking Sweetie Belle and Calamity Mane. We are now moving to pack number 6. We have Lyra Heartstrings, Limestone Pie, one of Pinkie's siblings, Silver Stream again, and we have revealed, oh, it is Discord. I didn't mean to reveal that much. I was going to show that we've got one of the circus type cards, which are the LSRs, so they are in the lower tier of rarities, but oh my gosh, this is still a fantastic card. Like, it's crazy to me that this is one of the lower rarities. Like, how funny is this card? It's got Discord in a whole outfit, doing magic tricks. Might just put that in a separate pile here. And we got Cheese Sandwich, Twilight Sparkle looking cute on the balcony. Finishing off with a very scary looking Pinkie Pie and a scary looking Fluttershy. Why are her eyes red? All right, so we now are up to 6 packs left. We've opened half of the packs. We've gotten very lucky so far. Will our luck continue with pack number 7? Okay, so starting off with Gallus. Then we've got Sweetie Drops. Then we've got Cloudy Quartz. And time to find out. No, wait, that's a cozy card. That is a cozy card. Who does it belong to? We've got a big green bow. Oh no, it's Spike! It's Cozy Spike! I forgot there was a Cozy Spike. Oh, I just love the color schemes on these. Look at him snacking on his gems. So cute. Legendary pulls for this video. Okay, then we got Applejack. We've got some Griffins from Griffinstone. Then Rainbow Dash. Oh, that's such a cute card of Rainbow Dash. She looks so happy. And Pinkie Pie. This is pack number 8. Manticore. The Smooth. Oh my gosh, I love the Smooth. He's so funny. I don't love Lord Tyrek. Ooh, okay, we've got an LSR. So that is the same rarity as this Discord, part of the lower rarity tier. Oh my gosh, it's Twilight! And how is this part of the lower rarity? It's so cute. The gold is so pretty. He looks so cute in the blue glasses and the blue bow. I'll put her over here with Discord. Oh my goodness. Then we've got her not looking very happy at all in a purple gown. Oh my goodness, it's Fluttershy with a whole lot of animals. That is adorable. Then we got Muffins and Princess Celestia. Okay, up to pack number 9. Okay, Spike, King Sombra. Oh, we got another circus card. So we got Maud Pie and behind Maud. Oh, no way! A double? Oh, that's annoying. I mean, that's sort of very Discord, isn't it? He's always being chaotic and having doubles of himself. Okay, then we got Pinkie Pie. Oh, she looks so cute. Spike, who is also cute. Lenticular one for this one. Discord again, but I do love Fluttershy and Discord together. Their tea parties are some of my favorite episodes. And the last one is Applejack. Oh my gosh, you look so concerned, Applejack. Maybe she's upset because she and Rainbow Dash are the only ones I haven't pulled rare cards for. I've got 3 packs left, so I could still pull both. Third last pack, starting off with rarity. Got Sandbar again. Oh, that looks exciting. Smolder and, okay, LSR. Oh, is that Mist Mane? It is Mist Mane. She's a bit more of a niche character, but this is a stunning card. I love her cloak. That's so pretty. Sit her here with Twilight. Oh, I love this rarity. She's got a big bow. So cute. And behind her, it's a rarity and a Rainbow Dash having a laugh. Then we've got Applejack, who's very upset. She wanted to be with Rainbow Dash. And Apple Bloom. Oh, she looks so nervous. It's all right, I promise. What's going on at Sweet Apple Acres? This is pack number 11. All right, Applejack again. Oh, I swear I've got so many of this card. Manticore also got so many of him. Okay, what is this? Oh, LSR, and it is Countess Colatura, who is another kind of niche character, but a very beautiful card with her painting and her music. I just love the gold of these ones. It's so pretty. Oh, look at Rainbow Dash in such a cozy looking sweater. Then, oh, that's a nice one, Applejack. The lenticular Applejack. Big apples in the background. Twilight the Sparkle holding a book. That's a really cute one. And then Rainbow Dash flying into the sky. What an awesome card. Okay, that brings us to our very last pack. I've done amazing with these rare pulls. These are not as rare pulls, but pretty awesome in my opinion. It would be great to finish off the video with something really cool though. All right, final pack, starting with this guy. Oh no, I've already ruined it for myself. It's the circus. Spike. Ah, why? Why am I getting so many of him? I swear, if this is Discord again, I'm gonna lose it. Nope, it's Pinkie Pie. Oh, she looks like she's having the time of her life. I mean, she kind of always does, doesn't she? But look at her cute clown outfit and her big happy eyes. I love this card. Oh, then we got her big happy eyes again. Love me a Pinkie Pie. Our final lenticular is Applejack and Rarity. That's a cute one. Then our last 2 cards, we've got Fluttershy, who's looking very nervous, and Applejack, who's very outraged that she didn't get a rare card today. It's okay, Applejack, we'll be back to open more. What a stunning collection. Those first 3 packs, they really were the best packs in the box. Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Band Toys for sending me the box of My Little Pony cards, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!